Vinegar. It can remove rust. It cleans mold and mildew off the siding and bricks on your house. It's even used in salad dressing. Come on! But did you know that you can use it to clean your windows? That's right, streak-free window cleaning using vinegar. Let's face it, you probably never clean the outside of the windows on your house. Maybe the insides once every spring. But here's a tip that's gonna make this chore faster, easier, and cheaper. A half a gallon of window cleaner here is costing me about $1/4. You can obviously make more or less, just do the math. Start with a half a teaspoon of any dish soap. Add the half gallon of water to mix it up, then add a cup of vinegar. In a few minutes the suds will settle down. You don't want it too sudsy. A simple squeegee like this works great. I bought this one on Amazon for 18 bucks. Soak it in the water and squeeze off the dripping excess. Now find a dirty window. And thanks to this bird, that should be easy. Scrub it thoroughly for a few seconds, then squeegee off the water. It doesn't get easier than that. This of course works great on inside windows as well. I don't know about you, but whenever I have a job to do that I hate, I try to do it fast. And now you can too. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and that's today's Quick Tip.